nation is more than land and borders. It is the heartbeat of its people, the dreams carried in every step, and the courage that lives in every generation. This is Ghana, a land where history stands tall, where freedom was not given but earned. From the voices that fought for independence to the young minds shaping the future, the spirit of Ghana continues to rise. We are people of strength, a people of culture, a people of resilience. In our music, in our laughter, in the rhythm of our streets, our identity speaks loudly to the world. Different stories, different journeys, yet one destiny. Because no matter where we come from, we carry the same pride in our hearts. A pride that cannot be shaken, a pride that moves us forward. Today, the new generation stands ready, bold, creative, and fearless. We are the voices of tomorrow, the dreamers, the builders. We honor the past, but we are not afraid to shape the future, because independence was only the beginning. The real story is what we build with all with it. Our talent, our passion, our unity. This is the strength of a nation that refuses to be limited. Ghana is not just where we come from. Ghana is who we are. Proud, strong, unstoppable. Today we celebrate freedom. Tomorrow we build greatness. Ghana forever. Happy Independence Day.